Object stores offer different ways to store and manage data within your Mule application. Understanding their distinctions is crucial for choosing the appropriate approach based on your specific needs. Transient Object Store. Storage location. Data is stored in memory within the Mule runtime instance. Persistence. Data is lost when the Mule runtime restarts or crashes. Use cases. Storing temporary data that doesn't need to persist across restarts, e.g., session information, cache. Passing data between different parts of a Mule flow. Implementing short-lived retry mechanisms. Advantages. Very fast read and write operations due to in-memory storage. Simple to configure and use. Disadvantages. Data is not persistent, leading to loss upon restarts or crashes. Not suitable for storing critical or sensitive data. Persistent Object Store. Storage location. Data is stored on disk or in a database, depending on the chosen implementation. Persistence. Data is preserved even after Mule runtime restarts or crashes. Use cases. Storing configuration data that needs to survive restarts. Implementing stateful applications that maintain data between sessions. Caching data with longer lifespans. Advantages. Data persistence ensures availability and reliability. Suitable for storing critical or sensitive information. Disadvantages. Slower read and write operations compared to transient stores due to disk access. Requires additional configuration for persistence mechanisms. Key differences. Feature. Transient Object Store. Persistent Object Store. Storage location. In memory, on disk or database. Persistence. Non-persistent, persistent. Use cases. Temporary data, in flow communication. Configuration, stateful applications, caching. Advantages. Fast, simple, reliable, persistent. Disadvantages. Data loss on restart, not secure, slower, configuration needed. Choosing the right approach. Use a transient object store when data is temporary, doesn't require long-term storage, and persistence is not critical. Use a persistent object store when data needs to survive restarts, is critical or sensitive, or requires longer-term storage and access. Consider a hybrid approach. Combine both types based on different data requirements within your application. Additional notes. MuleSoft 4 provides various options for both transient and persistent object stores, including in-memory stores, file-based stores, and database-backed stores. The choice depends on your specific needs, performance requirements, data security considerations, and scalability requirements. I hope this explanation clarifies the differences between transient and persistent object stores in MuleSoft 4. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions or require more specific guidance based on your use case.